click on the link below to get coupon. UIBI 700W Portable Power Station. UIBI Portable Power Station is innovative with PD100W bidirectional port, support input-output, which is faster than lots of single-port 60W to charge and support more devices, such as laptops or mini projectors. No more frustration and long waits when off-grid suddenly. The 666WH battery generator has a complete output ports including 2x110V divided by 700W, surge 1400W, pure sine wave AC outlets, 2 USB-A outputs and 2 USB-C outputs, PD100W and 30W, 1x12V divided by 10A DC output, DC 5521, and 1x12V divided by 10A car output port. It can charge up to 8 devices simultaneously, which is enough to power most of your devices and effectively save your space on the wall. UIBI portable solar generator has 2 more charging modes than other brands. It can be charged in 5 ways through DC 7909 input port 240W max. 1 charging by 240W wall outlet, 240W AC adapter not included, and PD100W input port simultaneously, about 2 hours to full, 2 charging by 15V/6A AC adapter, included, about 7 hours to full. 3 charging by USB-A to USB-C fast charging cable, not included, about 6-7 hours to full, 4 charging by car cigarette lighter cable, included, about 9 hours to full, 5 charging by 240W solar panels about 3 hours to full. The solar battery generator supports MPPT mode, which allows you to charge the solar power generators by solar panel, supports 240W max, in the sunlight even you are camping, RV or off-grid. In addition, UIBI has a faster solar recharging rate compared to others without built-in MPPT. It can be charged from 0 to 80% in about 3 hours. You can enjoy outdoors heartily and no longer worry about off-grid or your phone, camera or coffee pot has no power. Worried about fire hazards? This is reliable. The electric generator is qualified with UL and FCC certification and built-in advanced BMS systems, dual cooling fans and V0 flame retardant designs. When the equipment starts, the protection system will be automatically turned on to avoid overvoltage, short circuit, overcurrent and overheating, etc. When a fault occurs, LCD screen icon flash to make sure you use it efficiently and safety. 2 pure sine wave AC and 1 car output ports are protected by rubber caps to prevent dust, cotton wool burning and electric shock hazards. It keeps your portable electric generator running for years and ensure 1000 plus life cycles. The colorful and clear LCD display accurately tells you a lot of useful information: remaining battery, remaining charge time, input-output power, fault indication, etc. On the other side is a larger LED panel design. You can easily switch between 100% brightness, 50% brightness and S0S flashing mode according to your needs by gently pressing the LED light touch button. It is your helper and great backup for storms, off-grid emergency and remote location adventure. The UIBI portable generator for camping only is large as an A4 paper. Its battery type is lithium battery, which is 25% smaller than other brands. Weighs only 14.72 pounds, women and elderly people also can easily lift it. The foldable handle, which is easy to grab and compact storage, and the unique appearance allow you to easily carry it to off-grid camping, fishing, travel, etc. while adding a sense of premium vibe. What you get: 1. 700W UIBI Portable Power Station *12, AC Power Adapter *115B/6A3, Car Cigarette Lighter Cable *14, User Manual *1, PDF User Manual available online. UIBI attaches great importance to customer experience and provides 24-month warranty for UIBI Power Station. Please feel free to contact them for any questions, and they usually reply within 24 hours. Click on the link below to get coupon.